Hello everyone, my name is Victoria Nagles. I am going to present my final task. The first activity is reading. Emotions are states or feelings that are often intense, last for until a short time, and are quickly directed at or caused by someone's or some circumstances. Positive emotions include joy, pride, relief, love, and compassion. We must feel positivism and joy to others by always trying to be positive and cheerful. Negative emotions include anger, anxiety, fear, guilt, shame, sadness, envy, and disgust. The second activity is about animal pairs: cat, bat, white, wise, right, row, kite, night, take, stick, call, cut, pin, beam, till, peel, tish, fish, they, pay, diff, piff, deal, peel, duck, buck, day, bait, tall, call, tool, call, tape, cape, toe, call, tom, gone, tie, guy, tap, gap, tool, golf, tah, gah, table, gable, team, fiend, tail, fail, tom, found, tick, back. Activity 2 about intonation. Statements with one stress. She was. We laughed. It stopped. Statement with two stress. Tom is reading. Mike is sleeping. The car stopped. The weather has changed. Statement with three stresses. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. Statements with four stresses. She wants to buy a new car. She wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her students a story. Statement with five stresses. Alice wrote the letter very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you brought yesterday. A special question, following intonation. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly interest, politeness, rising intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? General questions. Rising intonation. Have you read the book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Request. Make I speak to Allah, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Will you combat a fire assist? Does she read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? You don't know then, do you? They haven't found it, have they? You were late, were you? I shouldn't do this, should I? Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Asking for help. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Hola, can you hear me? Lina, are you there? Tony, where are you from? I bought bread, chips, and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencils. I can't. She is. He will. You should. I can't. He daren't. Okay, thank you.